think it's just flammable.
Yeah, yeah. Dude, this thing is crazy looking.
Oh, you have to come over here and see what he's got in his window. He's got the badge to show people that he's a paranormal activist.
Oh, yeah. That's cool. Shoot, that's awesome.
They had a Jurassic Park
Look at
one.
me. Back off, man. I'm a scientist. The snake and the shark. Like you got a Sheridan, so the snake put it in his mouth, and then the shark just took him, grabbed him by the neck, and went and stuffed him in his mouth. I was like, oh. Yeah, they're not bad. Oh, that was pretty cool.
Looks like some kind of mafia
In the
movie.
water thing, yeah, it's crazy looking.
What number are we at?
So down the hall
To the right.
to the right.
That looks like a Norway Viking movie. The Northman? We're gonna have to check that out.
I think that's all that.
This city. Your family has a history of philanthropy, but as far as I can tell, you're not doing anything.
The Riddler is asking for you.
The killer left this for the Batman. Why is he writing to you?
You came. I've been trying to reach you.
Riddler's latest. It's all about the Waynes. If we don't stand up, no one will.
You got a lot of cats.
I have a thing about strays. The bat and the cat. It's got a nice ring.
A new friend of yours?
I'm not so sure. I'm just here to unmask the truth about this cesspool we call a city. You're part of this too.
Hands up! Stay still!
How am I part of this? Oh, you're really not as smart as I thought you were. Bruce Wayne. All these years, you lied to me, Alfred. We all have our scars, Bruce.
You're still away.
He's involved in this?
No, he's not involved.
How do you know? He's a vigilante. Who are you under there? What are you hiding?
Selena, don't throw your life away.
Don't worry, honey. I got 9 of them.
It can be cruel, poetic, or blind. But when it's denied, it's through violence you may find justice. The answer's justice.
Come on, vengeance. Let's get into some trouble.